What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you guys how to cancel a PayPal payment. So let's get right into the video. And the first method is to cancel a pending payment. Now how you want to do that is to first log into your PayPal account and then click on activity or history tab. Then you want to find the pending payment that you want to cancel and then click on the payment to view its details. Then click cancel or cancel payments, and then you confirm that you want to cancel that payment, and that's it. It's done. So the second method is canceling a recurring payment. So let's say you set up a recurring payment plan for specific reasons or whatever, you want to cancel that. So here's how you do it. The first thing you do is to log into your PayPal account and then click on bill and subscription or recurring payments, and then you got to find the recurring payment that you want to cancel. Click on the payment to view its details, then click cancel or cancel subscription, and then confirm that you want to cancel that recurring payment. And the third method, of course, is to cancel a payment in progress. So what you want to do is to contact the seller or merchant directly to request cancellation. Now if the seller agrees to cancel, they will need to refund the payment. But that's pretty much. So a couple of things you got to note is for time-sensitive cancellations. Now, unclaimed payments can be cancelled within 30 days of the payment date. Now, pending payments can be cancelled before the payment is processed, whereas recurring payment can be cancelled at any time, but may require a few days to take effect. So those are the things you got to take note of, and I got a couple of tips for you guys. The first is to cancel payments promptly to avoid any potential issues. Okay, you want to do that as quickly as possible. And the second is to keep the sellers informed of any payment cancellation or dispute. So you got to make sure that they understand what's going on and why. And of course, the last is to familiarize yourself with PayPal's cancellation and refund policy. So you want to take note of that. So those are pretty much the tips I got for you guys, and that's pretty much it for the video. Like the video if you like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends, and of course subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that already, and don't forget to ring that notification bell so you never miss another one of our awesome videos in the future. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.